So in my most recent stint under the U.S. Attorney Martin Estrada, who's a former AOSA, and then came back to be U.S. Attorney, I would say he's a very hard-charging prosecutor, but very thoughtful, and realized that, again, our ideal function at the U.S. Attorney's Office is really to prevent crime, not just as a punitive body. Because if we prevent crime, then the world is better off. And part of that is criminal justice reform. And so a lot of it was dialoguing with community groups, other law enforcement entities, whether it be federal agencies or local or the district attorney's office, and figuring out what works and doesn't work. Do, for example, mandatory minimums work? Mandatory minimum is where the judge basically has no discretion, and ultimately the person who has discretion is the prosecutor. Meaning, when we used to charge a case a certain way based off a certain statute, if the defendant was convicted of that, then there's a mandatory minimum, which means it doesn't matter what the judge thought.